If you knew how to mix and match, would it make getting dressed easier? I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best styles that suit their body shape, their coloring, and their personality so they can dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. Today I'm going to talk about mixing and matching, and I'm going to help you build a stylish wardrobe showing you how to mix and match. When you know how to mix and match, dressing gets much easier. For the best results, there are a couple of things that you need to do before you even buy anything that you want to mix and match. The first thing is to know your style personality. And your style personality is that style that suits you, the one that makes you feel good. And if you buy things off the rack, or if you follow styles and trends and have never thought about your style personality, and you find it difficult to get dressed, it could be because you're dressing in somebody else's style personality or a mix and match of other people's personalities, which won't work out very well for you. So if you want to know more and you want to find your style personality, you can go to my website, and I'll leave a link down below to where you can find information on the different style archetypes and then decide which one fits you the best. The other thing that you need to know is your body shape. So most women fit into one of 5 body shapes. And of course, nobody fits into them perfectly. We're all different and we're all unique. But just knowing that basic body shape will help you a lot. And to find that, you can download my guide, Dressing for Your Body Shape, and you will find the link for that in the box below as well. So let's get started. You know your body shape, you know your style personality. The next thing you want to concentrate on is the area of your life you want to dress for. So that would be where you spend the most time. So if you work all day long and you spend most of your time at work, then you'll want to start having pieces that mix and match for your work wardrobe. If you are retired and you spend a lot of time in leisure activities, you will want to find pieces that will suit that lifestyle. So first decide what your lifestyle is. Start thinking about what pieces you're going to want. Number 1, you're going to want to have pieces that are basic. Those are pieces that don't have a lot of lines as opposed to those that have a lot of lines. So here's an example of a couple of pieces that don't have very many lines at all and are considered basic. So these are basic styles. Now when you choose styles that are basic, it makes it easier to mix and match. These styles are more complicated, harder to mix and match because they have more lines. Now I don't mean that you can't have anything that doesn't have lines, but if you're starting and you want to do this mixing and matching and make it work easily, of course you need to start at the very beginning and do the easy stuff first. Then you can bring in the difficult lines later. So first you start with basic lines, and you would choose a basic pant, a basic top, and a basic jacket. So they will all match together easily. The other thing you want to do is find a material that you really like. So a fabric that is comfortable for you, that is your best color, and is one that you don't have to spend a lot of time on in terms of laundering. And what I mean by a lot of time is having to take it out to get it laundered. If you can do it yourself, that makes it a lot easier. And we all want this to be easy, and that's the whole idea. So let's take one of those basic shapes. Let's take a pair of pants. First, have that pair of pants in a neutral. When you choose a neutral, it is much easier to find something that matches it. And it's also good to have your bottoms in neutrals when you're starting. So get a pair of pants in a neutral color. And maybe you could get them in gray, brown, black, beige, camel, anything like that. And then you're set. So now we're going to think about how will you match that. I'm going to use black pants as an example. So here I have a pair of black pants. Now I'm going to match them with something. And how I do this is find 3 pieces that will match it. And how I do this is find 3 tops that will match. And this is where you can bring in some color, your best colors. So now I'm going to find 3 tops that match it, and those will be tops in my best colors. and in this case in your best colors. So here are the pants. I'm showing them with a red top. Red is one of my best colors, so I'm wearing it with red, and just red alone with black shoes makes it very plain. So now I need to spice it up a bit, and you use accessories for that. So I could use a scarf to create interest, or I could use a necklace. Also could use bracelets, and I could use a belt. Now on these pants there is a black belt already, and a little bit later I'll change that belt. So now I've changed it, I've added some jewelry. The next thing I can add is a jacket. Now because the pants are black, and black is a bit dark, I don't want to wear too much black, so I will add a jacket or a sweater. And in this case I'm going to add a sweater that is a print. And this animal print will bring more pizzazz to the whole outfit. When you think about what jacket you're going to wear, so now I have the black, the red, and white. Now I have 3 colors, or a color and 2 neutrals. Then I have more interest, which means I'm not going to need as many accessories. When you bring in a print, you don't need as many accessories. So I have the black pants, the red top, and the print jacket. So let's go back to those black pants. Now let's try a blue top with those pants. Because this blue top has a little bit of decoration around the neckline, I can't wear a necklace with it, but I can wear earrings. So I'll wear some earrings with this, and then I will choose a jacket again to wear with this. Now I could wear the same animal print jacket, and this would work again. Now it's a totally different outfit. I could choose to change my footwear. I could wear boots if I wanted, or I could change the color of my shoes, or a different type of shoes. And then when you change your handbag, you're changing it again. So any little difference you make there, anything you add or subtract, makes a change. So that's the second top. So now let's take those pants and add the third top. Now I'm going to add white. So now I have 2 neutrals, black and white. I can add a necklace, and I will want to add something with this because it's so plain. I can add a necklace, or I can add a scarf. And then I can add the jacket again, the same jacket. So you'll see we're using the same pieces over and over. I'm using the pants, and I'm using the jacket or sweater, because it's kind of like a sweater jacket. I'm using those 2 over and over, and I'm changing the top. So depending on what top I wear and what type of top it is, maybe I can wear a scarf, or maybe I can't. So that's the kind of thing you have to decide when you look at yourself in the mirror. Does this need another accessory, or is the jacket enough of an accessory? So here we have the 3 outfits. They can be changed by adding or taking away accessories, shoes, handbags, necklaces. All of those things change the look of the outfit. Another way to change these, so I have the black pants with the red, the blue, and the white. Another way to make a change is to add a different type or a different color jacket. So now I could add a plain jacket. And when I add the plain jacket, it makes another difference. So it creates another outfit. And you want to make sure that you choose a jacket that will match all of those colors. So you need a jacket that's going to match top number 1 red, top number 2 blue, and of course it will match white because white is a neutral. So this is why it's important to have only 2 or 3 colors in your wardrobe when you start. It makes it a lot easier to mix and match. If you have too many colors, too many prints, it makes it more difficult. So it's better to start basic. Now if you want to know more or want to see another video about this, I made a video called Creating a Wardrobe Capsule, and you will find that right here. And that will show you, I have some more information there about building a wardrobe. So now let's go on to another piece. So let's just take that red top, for example. Before I buy anything, I always make sure that I can match it with 3 other things. So now I have the red top. What will I match that with? So I know I can match it with the black pants. If I have a black skirt, I can match it with this. If I have jeans, which of course we all do, it'll match jeans. So now let's take that red top, and now I'm wearing it with jeans. And I can wear a jacket with this to create a different look. I can wear the red top with a skirt, And it could be a denim skirt, or it could be just a regular black skirt. It could be a white skirt, and it could be a camel color skirt. It could be a gray skirt. There are so many different options it could be if I use neutrals. So, and I, again, don't use too many neutrals. You want to keep it just to a couple of neutrals. So let's say the neutral is black or navy or gray. We'll just keep it to a couple of neutrals. So now that I have that red top, I can match it with jeans. I can match it with a black skirt, and I can match it with, and the other thing is you can match it with different types of skirts. I can match it with a plaid skirt or a print skirt, any kind of a print, because it's basic and a basic shape, and it is in just one solid color. It doesn't have any lines, straight lines, boat neck, and that makes it a lot easier. And I can also add jewelry with this to spice it up and make changes however I want. So let's take just one more item, a white shirt. Now, if you don't like to wear white shirts, you could change this for a different material white shirt. You could change it for a camisole or a crew neck, a V-neck. Mostly what we're going here for now are straight lines, basic lines, and a neutral. So now you take the white shirt and you're going to match that with jeans. You can match it with a skirt. You can match it with a denim skirt. You can match it with pants and different types of pants, because there's so many different types of pants and skirts that you can do a lot of matching. The thing is, just narrow it down to a couple of the ones that you want. So these are examples of a white shirt and how you can change it. So you can add some accessories and make it different. You can add a different jacket and make it different. So what I want to show you here is that we took the black pants, the red top, and the white shirt. And you can see how many ways I've mixed and matched it, and all I've used are just three things. The main points I want to make about mixing and matching is to use basic styles and then neutrals and a couple of colors. So then you can mix and match. And as you see, I took the black pants, the red shirt, and the white shirt, and I made a whole lot of different outfits, because when I bought them, I made sure that they matched three things that I already had. What I've noticed with my clients is a lot of the difficulty comes from buying too many things, not being focused enough, and really not knowing how things go together. So if you would like to have personal guidance, this is what I teach in my 6-week course. I teach you all the different steps. This is just an overview of what I've done here today, but I show you all the steps. We go in depth, and I show you how you can mix and match those items, how to find your style personality, how to make sure that you are wearing clothes that suit your body shape from every angle, whether it's vertical or horizontal, and also how to bring in all the accessories, how to have a closet that is perfect for you, that when you get dressed, it's easy. If this is something that interests you, you can put your name on my waiting list, and I have a link for that in the description box below. Or you can send me an email and tell me you want to get on the list. Nobody ever really taught us how to dress. They taught us to dress, how to put clothes on, but nobody really ever taught us how to dress. So when you know how to find the right styles that suit you, and you know where to find them and how to suit your body shape and how they all go together, it will save you time, it will save you money, and you will look great. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.